We're in Hobby Lobby, and I have got to find some paper, and I gotta get out of here quickly. And I'm hoping that they have some really good paper products. I've got to get this journal done. Like, it is driving me insane that I still don't have this done. And I thought I had lost it. I was like, did I lose my project? I was like, did I lose it? What happened? Alright, so there was a 40% off sale. Alright, that's pretty cool. I can deal with that. And it is the Paper Studio. Alright. Got this one for $17.99. Is this? Oh, this is cardstock. And it's foil. It's cute. But here's a textured paper. I was really just looking for pink. So I think, is this Paper Studio? Yep, that's Paper Studio. 40% off. So we've got that, and I would like some white cardstock as well. Their white cardstock is $7.99. This one, is this cardstock? Oh, it's a vellum pack. It's a vellum pack. They have vellum. Oh, that's what's up. I wish I could find a paper pack that had some white in there. That would be awesome. Because I'm not trying to spend 20 bucks. Look at that one. Oh, that's nice for $14.99. That is really nice. So they go like 14, and then this one is 11. Jesus. Okay, that one cardstock, that's $7.49. Why are these ones? That's $7.99. And then this one over here is $7.50. Why is the? That's crazy, right? That is crazy work. I don't know, y'all. That's why I hate coming out here. I promise you I do, because it is so hard for me to pick paper. Why? I don't know. It is so hard for me to actually pick paper. Like, that is insane to me. All right, this one is $11.99, and it's cardstock, and they have some pink in here. So I don't know why this one is, and it's the Paper Studio, so I don't know why this one is $11.99 and that one is $17.99. That's crazy. Ooh, they got the big giant. Oh, is that? Oh, okay. They got the glitter packs. And then I've had this one before, but I don't think, no, this is not cardstock. That's not cardstock. I've got to have cardstock. Like, this project calls for cardstock. And this, is this cardstock? It is. This one is cardstock. Like that, it does have pink. See, I like this one because of the colors, but I don't like the theme. And then this one right here is $12.99, Paper Studio, cardstock. It's okay, but I don't know. And then the ones that are like just plain, why are they so expensive? Like, that's insane. Like, that one down there is $21.99. Like, why is that so expensive? That is insane. Like, this one right here, $7.49. And then they have these ones up here, which are like so cute and everything. Those packs, yep, they're $6.99. But they're not cardstock. All right, let me just pick something and get out of here. Ugh. All right, I literally just left Hobby Lobby after the doctor's office and the pharmacy. Now I'm at Staples because I have to get some print-offs for the wedding. This is like $10.55. Like, printing nowadays is expensive. Like, real talk. I can't even believe it. Alright, so we got the wedding stuff. Your print email job is complete. Check out. Would you like your receipt printed, please? Please wait. Payment in process. Payment in progress, if I could read. Alright. Alright. Printing my receipt. Alright. The receipt is printing. Alright, got my receipt with some coupons. That's great. And I don't know if anybody's over here, but I need a bag. Oh, wait. Oh, there are bags over here. Okay, great. So, with that done, we are out of here. I'm starving. I have to get something to eat. And then headed to my daughter's house. Okay. We have ran all the errands except for one, and I decided to stop at Captain D's. Ooh, I got a side cramp. So decided to stop at Captain D's because my doctor that I just went to see, Dr. Bush, she was like, I don't want you to eat any, fried chicken, kind of stay away from the beef and, stuff like that. And they have healthy food, believe it or not, at Captain D's. I don't know if you guys like go to Captain D's or if you even have a Captain D's in your area, but they have like baked fish, grilled shrimp, all kinds of things, and it's amazing. Like, they have the battered fish, but they also have the southern. So I was like, normally I'll get the southern, but I was like, I can't get the southern this time. Plus I have a colonoscopy on Wednesday. So yeah, I'll be filming as much of that as I possibly can, but anyway, yeah, I'm like, let me just, go here and get some fish. And because they do have like fish and shrimp at like Popeyes, or at least shrimp, I know, but I'm just not trusting Popeyes today with my meal selection. Ooh. Oh, God. Listen, anybody who suffers with fibromyalgia, you already know. So the cramps, they come and they go. The pain and all of that, they come and go, and you just have to deal with it. So it is what it is. Hopefully by the time I get to my daughter's house, this will have gone away, if I can stretch it out. Whew. And I didn't take my spasm medication before I left because I was feeling fine. And I have so much medication, not to mention the bag of medication I just got from the pharmacy, which I will say that not all of it is mine. Some of it is my mom's as well. But anyway, while I'm sitting here, yeah, I had to go to Walgreens, and then I went to the doctor's office, and I was going to reschedule, but she was like, no, I can see you now. So I ended up having a full doctor's visit. And then I had to go by Hobby Lobby to get the paper. Then I had to go by Staples to get the printables for the wedding planning. And then I've still got to go by my daughter's. I had to get gas in the middle of that. So when I left the doctor's office, I went and got gas. And so, whew, got all of that done. Now I'm here. Starving to death. Got to get something to eat. And, after I get this, I'm going to go to my daughter's and, we're going to, try to get this wedding planning together. Put the final, touches on all of that. All right, I need to stretch this out. All right, I'm home. I finally made it home. I have stuff for the wedding that I have to take care of. Then I got my medications, right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medicine bags. Look at this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 medicine bags. Because I have to take my medication for my colonoscopy and EKG and all that stuff. And then I got my paperwork from the doctor's office, and it is a summary of today's visit. So I got all of that, and I'm probably gonna need that. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a whole bunch of stuff in Hobby Lobby, as you can see. Probably won't go through all of this until I get ready to plan, but I definitely found the paper, and they're having a sale, like I said, so everything was like 40% off. So I was able to get a pack of paper, cardstock, a pack of white cardstock. I got 4 signature covers and a bunch of little jewelries and stuff like that. And I also got a paintbrush, but this is not for me to paint. This is for me to do some makeup. So I gotta put that on my other desk. But I got a lot of things. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. Just little things to put in my journal and to dress my journal up, so I can, actually get this right. And then this lady was like, you need the ones that, look like earring holders and the rings or whatever, so you can change them out when you want to and all that kind of stuff. So I'll probably make a whole separate video for this. And then I ended up, when I was at Walgreens, I ended up getting, they always give you a ton of receipts, these coupons and stuff. But I had to get this, which is, is this the roll-on? This is Pain Relief Liquid Topical analgesic. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Anyway, it's 4% lidocaine, and I didn't notice that it was the roll-on, so I guess it doesn't matter as long as it works. Yep, no mess roll-on. So totally different from the Salon Pasta I got the last time. It was a cream, so I guess, as long as it works, right? So then I ended up picking out some stuff that I may like. Now, I've tried this before. This is the Maybelline Instant Rewind Eraser, but this one is treatment makeup. It's got sunscreen in it, broad spectrum SPF 20, pro vitamin B5, and this is in the color 355. It's got like a golden undertone, but most of the makeups that I saw today had like a reddish undertone, and I was like, I'm not that. So I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we're going to try it and see. I'll probably try that on my makeup channel, and then the Milani Make It Last Matte. This was like $12.99, 16-hour wear. So we're going to try this and see if it works. And then I have never used number 7 makeup before, but I heard it was pretty good. So I got this blush, and it's so cute. It's number 7 matte powder blusher, pomegranate, and I thought that color just really stood out to me, so I had to get it. And this right here is a number 7 eyeshadow. It says Stay Perfect Smoothing Eyeshadow, so we'll talk about that on the makeup channel. And then this right here is Shade and Define. This is Cool Mink. So I'm not sure. I just was like, I want to try that brand out because I never tried them out before. So yeah, that's what I got. Now I'm about to change clothes, unwrap my medicine so I can take all of my medicine and stuff. And yeah, let's see how that works. All right, guys, I'm tired. As you can see, I'm sweating uncontrollably. I'm tired and all of the things, but I'm gonna get off of here and go put all this stuff up and try to relax, take some of my sumatriptan, because that's what I take, you know, for migraines and stuff, and just chill out. It has been a long day, and I literally have been gone all day, like literally from the time I got up. At least I ate, right? At least I ate something. And between my grandpuppy and my grandgirls, I could not film anything when I got to their house. So maybe we'll get some footage one day of me hanging out with the grandgirls and the grandpuppy, you know, one day in the future. But anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.